Write the following numbers in ascending order. We will give you the answers, but first, pause the video. Do it in your notebook. Now, we have four numbers: 15 lakhs, 15 lakhs, 9 lakhs, and 19 lakhs. And the smallest number is the 9 lakhs number. Write that down as the first number in ascending order. Cross it out so we can work out the rest of the numbers. We have to find out the next smallest number among the remaining three numbers. Two are 15 lakhs numbers. One is 19 lakhs number. Comparing the 15 lakhs number, we have in lakhs, both are equal, 15. In thousands, both are equal, 83. In ones, we have 465 lesser than 468. So, 15 lakhs, 83,465 is the smallest number. Write this down as the next number in our ascending order. Cross it out so we can compare the remaining numbers. Now, we have only two numbers to compare: 15 lakhs number and a 19 lakhs number. Clearly, 15 lakhs number is smaller. That is the next number in our ascending order. Write that down and cross it out. The only number left is the 19 lakhs number. This is our last number in our ascending order of numbers. There we have it. Our ascending order of numbers should look something like this. Compare it with your notebook work.